All right, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. It's our second to last full day here in Vegas. We're still in the room in the Fontainebleau, just enjoying the room. We're just about to go down and, we're leaving today. We need to check out today and head back over to Nomad, Park MGM. We've got 2 more nights there. Plan today is to head up to Nomad a little bit later, go to Primrose for breakfast, and then we're in Din Tai Fung tonight, so we'll just be gambling in and around Park MGM and the MGM properties, maybe down to the Bellagio a bit. We haven't seen the fountains yet because they've been off for some rare bird that landed. I believe now they're back on, so we haven't even seen the Bellagio fountain show. And yeah, I'll do a full review a little bit later on Fontainebleau. We're gonna head down. Emily believes she's got $50 free play on a card. We're gonna go down, to go to MGM, go to the rewards center, see if there's anything they can do with our bill. And yeah, take it from there. So I'll pick it up when we get on the casino floor. All right, we made it down to the casino floor. We put Emily's card in and she's right, she does have $50, which is strange. We don't know where it's appeared from. They must have just uploaded it. So we're gonna put $50 in Aussie Boomer and do some decent size spins. All right, we won't be playing Aussie Boomer. Free play is not usable on this machine, so we're gonna find a new machine and I'll pick it up when we do. All right, we're on Golden Century. We got our $50 free play in. We're doing a 10-cent denom, $2.50 bet. We're gonna take it in turns to spin. Is that the loudest it goes? We're gonna get a copyright here, so I'm gonna keep talking. $2.50 a spin, looking for 3 flags, 1 more or 6 of the orbs. All right. We'll come back if we get something because of the music. All right, well, that went down like a lead balloon. Go on, Emily, choose the dragon. See if we can at least get a winner. Nope. Game over. All right, we're moving on.
Playing.
All right, we're off to find free coffee. So, one of the perks of being, what level are we? Silver with Fontainebleau is you get free coffee between 6 and 11 a.m. every day from a little coffee shop here. So we're making our way up to the food court in the hope that that's where it is. Grab our coffees, then we're gonna head to the rewards desk and see what we can do with the bill. All right, 5 minutes later, we've located, well, we had to ask someone where we were going. So it's on the first floor. As you walk into Fontainebleau, you go to the middle to the central bar, you turn right and follow it all the way down to the end. I don't even think we've been down here, have we? Oh no, I came down here last night and walked around because this was quite busy, this area. Yeah, because here's the Highland slots. I swear we were here yesterday afternoon. Yeah, because we gambled down here with that restaurant with a weird neon sign. So there it is, in the corner. Okay. So yeah, you get a free coffee between 6 and 11 every day down here. That's not it.
It's down there.
Down there. We'll find it somewhere in this corner.
Oh yeah, we played here.
Yeah. All right, pick it up in a bit. You know what? I didn't even know any of this place existed down here. This is the pool deck, convention center, conference center, and the URS Fisher Gallery. Yeah, oh, the pool room as well. Might check out the pool. All right, Chez Bonbon for our coffee. Alright, so we got our coffees and there's a nice little station here in a cafe, all your different sugars, milks, dairy products, non-dairy, whatever you want. So yeah, cool little free coffee every morning, like I said, so on 6 till 11 a.m. Alright, got the coffee. I gotta say, for a drip coffee, it's actually not bad. So the rewards desk is just behind these machines. Fairly decent queue. We'll head over there, see what we can see if we can get anything comped based on our gameplay, obviously our room charges. We've got about $400 in room charges and food and beverage on the bill, so let's see what we can do. All right, we're back in the room. We came up to grab the cases and head to Park MGM Nomad for brunch at Primrose. But we went to the MGM. We went to the rewards desk at Fontainebleau, and she basically confirmed and said, look, we can't use the $100 that we have food and beverage against resort credit. So we're cancelling Primrose, and we're going to go down to La Fontaine, which is a French restaurant. Be interesting to see if they pronounce La Fontaine the way I just did, or if they say La Fountain, because it's technically spelled the same way as the hotel. So anyway, sidebar discussion. So yeah, we're gonna use the $100 here because we need to use it all in one go. So we're gonna go for a nice fancy breakfast downstairs. Might have some lobster, eggs Benedict or something, some caviar and steak. And then we'll head to Nomad, drop everything off, and then obviously we're at Din Tai Fung for dinner. Just now means that we'll have, what, 200 to spend? Yeah, 200 to spend on 2 dinners, so that's fine, that's easily doable. And then Emily will have another 200 on our last day.
No, we've only got one day. This is actually the last.
This is my last day, but
Yeah.
you've got
Yeah,
another 200 for tomorrow,
Yeah.
and I've got 200, technically 300 because I've got comp dollars.
Yeah.
So we've effectively got $500 to spend the next 2 days. All right, bavettes and foundation room. All right, pick it up when we get downstairs in the restaurant. Alright, so just finished in La Fontaine, which is just behind us. Yeah, nice little breakfast. Obviously we had the $100 food and beverage credit which we needed to use up. We managed to use up $99 exactly, which is exactly what we did yesterday.
Order the 2 specialities, lobster and
Yeah, so if you want a guaranteed way, if there's a couple of you and you want to spend $100, then one of you orders champagne, one of you orders a mimosa, one orders the lobster Benedict, and the other person orders the Spanish chorizo omelette. In terms of the food, I tried a little bit of Emily's. The omelette was decent. The lobster Benedict was decent. For me, again, talking about 7 out of 10. Nothing amazing, but nice, light, high quality food.
tell him about what he said about the lobster size compared to everywhere else.
Yeah, he said about the lobster Benedict, he basically said that most places will give you 2 ounces of lobster on a Benedict or a breakfast dish, and here they gave 6 ounces. Didn't seem like a huge amount, but anyway, yeah, it was a nice breakfast, really nice staff in there.
We had Joey and Jay. They were
Yeah.
really nice.
Really nice staff, really friendly and chatty. And also want to give a little shout out to Sean, who was also dining in the restaurant, came up to say hi. It was great to meet you. Obviously always happy to meet anyone who watches the vlogs. So yeah, we're gonna head back to the rewards desk and ask the lady, because we asked before if anything could be done, and I don't think she kind of understood what we were requesting. So we're gonna go back to the rewards desk and ask someone different, see if there's anything that can be done with the room charges, the resort fees and everything. And then we'll pick up the bags and head over to Nomad. So I'll pick it up once we get on the floor and once I've got an update. All right, so we went to the rewards, well actually we didn't go to the rewards desk, we went to the VIP casino host space because there was a couple of people in there. And she said, yeah, we can take a look for you. but she said no, there's nothing on it. She basically said that anything that's on is on the card automatically, comes up on their system. So I think the likes of Venetian, they look at your play, and then they have the authority to make a decision there and then. So when the guy looked at our play, he immediately knocked off the room cost and the resort fees. We probably gambled more here, but we haven't got anything. I mean, well, we're not complaining because we've already got a load of stuff off them. You know, we've had $300 of food and beverage and stuff. So we're just going to go back up to the room, get the cases, check out, and head over to Nomad. So I'll pick it up when we get over there. So yeah, we were just discussing. Emily always feels a bit cheeky.
I feel cheeky. So I'm not going in there.
She doesn't like asking for the stuff, but look, I'm not bothered. I mean, the worst that they're going to say is no. They're not going to remember you. It's not like, you know, some people are like, oh well, you know, I feel awkward and I feel cheeky. Look, it's worth an ask. If they say no, 30 seconds after you've left that office, they won't remember who you are or give a damn about you. So yeah, it's worth an ask. It worked for us in Venetian, hasn't worked today. Like I said, we've had enough free stuff off them.
Love Venetian.
It's been a $400 stay for us. We've had 2 nights in a luxury hotel. We've had 3 high-end meals.
Yeah, wow.
But yeah, I'll do a full wrap-up and review of the hotel and resort once we get back in the room. Alright, so it's Russell's review time. Time for my review of Fontainebleau. Overall, very nice stay. Let's start with arriving to the hotel. Parking, no issues at all. Plenty of spaces. I can see why people walk out the parking, get to the parking lot and struggle to find the entrance to the hotel. There's a couple of very nondescript that look like emergency exit doors. They've now put signage on them saying this way to the hotel to check in. But even when you leave the lift in that area, you wouldn't know in your car park. The doors just automatically shut. They're just metal doors, fire doors, and there's no signage on them or nothing. So I can see why people get a little bit confused in the parking lot, but plenty of parking, big spaces. Easy to drive in and around and get out, so no issues there. Check-in, lovely check-in area. One of probably the best check-in area. I know a lot of people love Bellagio because of the glass and the proximity to obviously the observatory, but Fontainebleau, it's so vast, it's so big, it's relatively clear and simple, but it does make an impact on you, and the staff are super friendly. There was 10 or 15 front desk people, so no queues, no waiting in line, straight to the front and straight to get a room. The rooms, exceptional. 9 out of 10. Nearly gave it a 10 then. 9 out of 10. The only 2 small things I have an issue with, and I'm nitpicking here, is I think there should be a coffee machine. I would have in this hotel, I would have thought they would have an espresso machine or something. And the second thing, which is more a usability issue, is the shampoo and conditioners. They come in these lovely blue bottles, these thick plastic bottles. The problem is they're that solid, it's like holding glass. You can't squeeze any of the stuff out. So when you're in the shower trying to get shampoo, conditioner, or shower gel, you can't squeeze it. So you have to really bang it to get the stuff to come out, and it comes out very, very slowly. So that's the only very, very small niggle. Apart from that, the room that we've got, we are in a platinum room. It's not the standard blue room. It's a little bit of a suite. It's absolutely fantastic. The view is incredible. The small details are everywhere. High quality furniture, high quality finishings and fixtures, plenty of plug sockets everywhere, good lighting. You've got the branding on the towels, you've got the branding on the floor mats, you've got the branding on the toilet paper. It's just a really well thought out, well done room. The robes are exceptional. I would imagine they're probably $300 a pop to buy. I'm going to Google or try and find out at checkout what the situation is, because I'd love to take one of them home. What else? Casino. Good casino. Beautiful setting. Nice central bar. Beautiful triple height ceilings. But lacking any sort of atmosphere. Just a ghost town. Day is busier than the night time because of the conference and the convention visitors. Good selection of machines, nice and clean. Drink service, hit and miss, pretty slow. I've not really,
Cocktails.
yeah.
You know, cocktails are terrible.
I didn't have a cocktail.
You had the lemon drop, it was bloody awful.
Oh, yeah, I had one lemon drop and it was awful. Yeah, it was awful. I asked if they had a raspberry lemon drop. They said no. So the quality of cocktails wasn't great. The service on the casino wasn't great, and the casino itself lacks atmosphere, in my opinion. It's worse than people talk about Mandalay Bay being the library. If that's the library, this is the morgue. This is where gamblers go to die. What else? Food. We've had 3 meals here. None of them have blown me out of the water. First meal, Mother Wolf, was dreadful in my opinion. And I had a conversation with someone who said the same thing. The couple next door to us who was sat next door to us in the restaurant, they also complained. Guy bumped into me in the lift and said that he thought the food was terrible. I looked at a couple of the reviews and they seem to be deleting negative reviews, I think. But not all it's cracked up to be, in my opinion. The food at the tavern, again, very average for what it was. The food this morning, decent, again. If I'd paid $100 for that breakfast, I'd be a little bit disappointed, but it's all comp, so can't complain too much. But I had high expectations for the food here, and it has been a little bit of a disappointment. Pool area, really, really nice. Multiple pools, nice, loads of day beds, couple of nice bars. It looks like they've literally maybe just opened the pool this week. There's already a few people out there, so it looks really nice. I'm sure that's going to be very, very popular in spring break, April, May time, and September, October. I'm sure it'll be busy with parties and all sorts. Staff very, very good, very, very friendly, very, very knowledgeable. It's very clear that they've poached the good staff from a lot of the other casinos and hotels and restaurants. The staff are exceptional. So yeah, all in all, with the tier benefits as well, we've obviously got free coffee, we've had free parking. All in all, very enjoyable. Would I come back? Yes, I would. Being down this part of the strip, it feels like you're off the strip. So it's like a vacation it's like a staycation. You know, you can be on the strip and come down here for 2 nights and it feel like you're in a completely different place. We've really enjoyed doing Circus, Resorts World and here and being kind of isolated a little bit from the rest of the strip. I know we did head down there during the day, but you could quite easily spend all day just pottering around these 2 or 3 casinos here. It does feel like you're in a different area. It's nice and relaxing here. It's more resort style. It's proper, for me, it's proper 5-star luxury hotel that happens to have a casino with it. It's not a 5-star hotel and casino, in my opinion. It feels like you've got a proper 5-star hotel and there's a benefit of having a casino here. It's got that different feel than the strip hotels. So yeah, I'm looking at the clock and it's been nearly 7 minutes for this review. So I'll wrap it up here. As I said, I'm gonna give it an 8.5 out of 10. Room's amazing, staff's amazing. Only thing that lets it down is the casino and the food. Had that been better, probably would have been a 9.5. So we're gonna get checked out now and head over to Nomad. All right, so as you can see, we are back in the room in Nomad, and as soon as I walked through the door, I went, Emily, what was the one thing we were supposed to do before we left the Fontainebleau? The one thing I said, let's not forget to do this. What was the one thing we forgot to do? Cash out our Tito's at Fontainebleau. So we're gonna head down now onto the floor, probably head up to Bellagio, do a bit of gambling in Bellagio, then make our way back through Aria and Nomad because we're at Din Tai Fung for dinner tonight. So I'll pick it up when we get on the casino floor. All right, so first machine of the day, we are on Fudai Lian Turtle in the Bellagio. We've got $100 in each, gives us a bankroll of $200. We're doing 1 cent denom, $1 bet to start the day.
It's a new game.
It's a new game. Oh, where's the sound? Can you turn the sound up, please, Emily? Mucho gracias. Don't think there's any sound even though. No, it's a quiet game. It's a quiet game on sound and it's a quiet game on line hits. I hate playing quiet games like this. No, the volume's not working on any of them.
This one is.
Alright, we're going to move to the one next to it. The volume seems to be working on that game. Pick it up in a minute. Alright, that's better. We got some sound. There we go. That would be nice if we'd set both of them off straight away. Oh, so much better with the sound, even if you're not actually getting line hits. Alright, I'll come back if we get a decent line hit or a bonus. Go on, we got the bonus, alright. Alright, I won't be coming back. We'll be doing it live. Go on, give us a nice triple digit bonus to start the day. Oh, what's going on? Real added, alright. Real added, nice. Are they wild? Yeah. Alright, nice. $7.25. So do we get a wheel on every spin or what? And he adds wild on every spin. Oh, nice. Alright, well if we can get a few of them, that'll be decent. Wilds all the way. Oh, shame they don't fill the reel when they land. Alright, we're up to $9.99. Oh, it's moving every time. Alright. So this now should go onto this reel, I'm guessing. Oh, last reel. Maybe it's random. Queens. Alright, queens across. A little something. 23.59. You know what? Not bad. Start us off, puts us in $10 in profit. Do a couple of backup spins live. It's a good job we changed the machine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll come back if we get anything else. Alright, so we moved on to Red Hot Tamales Pinata Bash. I was playing a similar game, the same kind of systems yesterday in Fontainebleau, and it was very fruitful for me. We're doing a 150 bet, 1 cent denom. Let's see if we can land. We're looking for sevens across. There's no multipliers on this, is there? No, it's just wilds. Sound is very low, unfortunately. Go on, one more. Alright, not lining much up so far. Alright, we'll come back if we get something decent. Alright, that's a nice little hit. $48. $48 line hit. It's been pretty quiet, but this game, when it does line up, can pay very well. That's what we're looking for. Sevens all the way across, ideally.
Oh, is that our machine that we won on?
That's the machine we won the 2 jackpots on, yeah, next door. So I think if you get all red sevens, you get $2.39. If you get the whites, I think you get 77. If you get red, white and green mixed, maybe. I'm guessing the colours relate to the totals.
I reckon there's a symbol that you land on the reel.
And then you have to, oh, I don't know. Anyway. Nice $48 line hit takes us back up. One more. Triple sevens land. It's a very good payday. Go on, one more. Alright, we'll come back and we get something decent. Alright, we got the...
I think he's got a...
Oh no, we got the green.
Yeah.
We got the green one. I thought it was red. It was the red bar. Right, we got the pinata bonus. Let's see. Can he break? I don't know. Can he...
What's going on?
Every time you hit him, he gives you some money and you can win a maximum of $29, is what I'm guessing.
God knows.
Keep hitting him. Get the full $29, please. Go on, whack that booty. Give him a whack.
Yeah. Plus that.
Plus the 12.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, $41. Nice. I love this game. All right, now we're on for the blue, the red. Backup spins. These games just, if you want to play games and you want to score tier points, cannot recommend these games enough. You've got this one, you've got the one I played in Fontainebleau yesterday, 777s, the Phoenix one that we won the 2 jackpots on. They're just really, really good games to maintain. We put 40 in? We're up to 180, we've been bouncing around 150 for a while. You're doing $1.50 spins. We probably put $500, $600 through this machine in 10 minutes. So yeah, can't recommend these enough for getting your tier points up. Alright, we've been on this game for a while now, so we're going to play it down to 150 if we can. Oh, there you go, another $9. It's actually not that easy to play it down, this game. As soon as you get low and you get close to your cash out point, you get another decent line hit. Alright, well, there you go, another $6. Well, we were going to play it down to 115 cash out, so I'll come back once we get back down towards 150, go on line up. Or if we get a bonus. There's that pinata. Alright, we finally got down close to 150. Last 2 or 3 spins. And then we'll move on. We've been on here a long time. Some good tier points. Last spin. Alright, we are cashing out and moving on. Alright, we moved on to Mighty Cash, doing 5-cent Din on $1.25 a bet. That's 40. How can it be a 40 bet? Hold on. Alright, we're now back and we are at the 125 bet. Looking for 5 orbs or 3 of the free games feature. So far we've done relatively well on Mighty Cash. Let's hope the luck continues. Not this version, what do you mean? I've done well on this version. You like the White Tiger one, don't you? The White Tiger version. Alright, we'll be back if we get something decent. Alright, we got the 8 free games feature. Said 5-cent Din on $1.25 a bet. Here we go. Looking for 5 of the orbs for the bonus feature in the feature. $2 to start. Be nice if we can add a couple of zeros. Retrigger. Retrigger. Nope. Come on, 2 more. Oh, yeah. Come on, Mighty Cash, don't do the dirty on us. $2.80, 4 spins from 8. Not great. Need something big to land. Come on, 5 orbs, 5 orbs, 5 orbs. Come on. Hey, wow. Oh, Mighty Cash doing the dirty on us, last spin. Wow, retrigger, gotta be, surely. Thank God for that. You know what, last time I won the Maxi, this is what happened. I got a retrigger halfway through after only $4 or $5, and then it paid out big time. One more. Go on, drop the Maxi. Drop the Maxi. Alright, we're into the bonus. Well, bonus in a bonus. Mini is 100, minor 250, Maxi 654. Come on, Mighty Cash. Drop a orb with a word. 5 spins to fill it up. If you fill it up, all values double. 5 more to go for double up. Come on, land a word. Land an orb with a word, because all the progressives are a decent amount. 3 more, come on. Alright, 1 more to go. Can we double up? Can we fill it and double up? Drop the mini. No, we can't. Oh, straight down the middle. Come on, give us 3. 2. Is it going to be enough? If it's going to happen, it'll happen on the last spin. Here we go. Are we destined for a double up? No, we're not. Oh, I forgot this is 5 cents. I was thinking it's only $10. I keep forgetting about denominations. Oh, that's not too bad then. I mean, it's not great, but we are still in the bonus. We've still got 7 games in the bonus left. That's a $42 win. Good old mighty cash. Bringing home the bacon. Someone forgot to do the short. Alright, 6 spins left. Now the mini lands. You couldn't have landed 2 minutes ago, could you? Keep going, 3 more. Oh, just missed out. Nice number. Alright, 4 spins left. Go on, give us 1 more bonus in the bonus. Line them up. No, $49. Not great so far. 2 spins left. Oops. Wasn't me. Well, it's going to pay whatever. Come on, 3 games, re-trigger. Oh, $50. You know what? Better than a kick in the arse. Puts us back up to 183. We'll do a few more backup spins, play it down to 150-ish maybe. Well, we'll see. We'll come back if we get anything else. So we were on this machine here, and then when we started it, we noticed that whoever was on it before doing $2.50 bets had just wiped it out. Had multiple minis, $100 orbs, everything. So I thought we'll go on the machine next to it. Same, $2.50 bets. 125, 125, mini.
Who doesn't do a backup spin?
Alright, we'll do a backup spin. No. Alright, we'll give it a little bit of money, but someone's obviously cleared it out already, in my opinion. I hate screens like that, just missed out. 1 more. Alright, well it's dropping orbs, so we're going to give it a little bit of time. I was going to change to 2 cent denom, but we'll give it down to 80. We haven't won much in the last hour. After a good start, it's all gone downhill. Come on. Alright, I'll be back if we get anything decent. Ooh, nice orbs. Come on. Alright, so got a little bit sneaky when Emily went to the bathroom, changed the denom to 2 cent and did a $2 bet, and we got the bonus. Mini is $20, minor is 100. Come on, don't do us the dirty. Fill them up. Drop some orbs with words. Oh no. Surely not. Come on, don't do this. Just drop 1. 1, yes. Nothing worse than landing the original 6 and getting nothing else on the bonus. Alright, 20 is going around, and there's the minor $100. This is what happens when Emily goes to the toilet. Every time she goes to the toilet, she misses a decent bonus. Here she is. Look, she can see the blue. She can see it, you see. Yeah, because I moved up to 2 cent and did $2. I thought I'll do it for you while you're not here, because I always have good luck on Dragon Link whenever I'm on my own. As soon as Emily comes, we win nothing, and it sucked all of her money out of her yesterday. So I took the opportunity. As soon as she moved off to the bathroom, I thought I'll up the bet a bit, and it's paid off. And we won't. Now you've returned. We won't land anything.
Okay,
Go back to the toilet and wash your hands again. All right, 4 spaces to go.
Yeah.
2 spins remaining.
I drained the energy.
Drop the mini at least.
Oh, there we go.
Right.
I got you $2.
So this is great. This is going to put us back up over our original 100. There's the mini, $20.
I'm good luck.
All right.
Come on, grand, 15 grand.
2 more for the grand. Grand is 15,945. All right, last spin. Save the day. No, you know what? We'll take it. That puts us well back up over our 200. And I'd literally just been saying in the vlog that we were down. We'd had no luck in the last hour. Always nice to land a mini. Once again, Emily wasn't here to be able to do the short. Every good win, I say, make sure you get a short. Every time I get a good win, Emily's not here to do the shorts. All right. What's touching my head?
My
Oh. All right, $154. Nice. Puts us up to $34. We'll do. No wonder this guy was right with the $2 $2.50 bet. We'll do some more $2 bets down to 200.
He was doing $1.
And then we'll cash out.
1 cent, 2.50.
All right, we are back on my nemesis. Not been able to get anything out of this game this trip. We're gonna do 1 cent in on $1.50 bets down to 150. See if we can hit something. See if we can finally make some money off of Huff and Puff. Or Huff and More Puff, I should say. Looking for 3 saws or 6 of the yellow helmets. Hard hats. One more. No, it's not been too good to me over the last 2 weeks. There's got to be one winner in there somewhere, surely. I think I've had 3 bonuses and every bonus was about $7. So, alright, we'll come back if we get something. Alright, we got the 6 free games. Can we finally get a decent bonus? Come on, 3 hats for a re-trigger. Oh, here we go. Oh my word, it's gonna do the dirty again, innit? Every single time. Oh, at least there's 2 wooden houses. Come on, re-trigger, re-trigger, re-trigger. 3 wooden houses, at least 1 gold, surely. Finally. Alright, all it takes is 1 gold. Come on, 3. 2 gold houses. Well, that's alright. You know what? Miners at 50. I've got a feeling one of them is going to be a miner. I'm going for $100 in total. I'm being very optimistic here. I'm expecting about 35, but I'm hoping for 100. Come on, you tight-arsed wolf. You've been tighter than a duck's arse the last few weeks. Wow. Right. Miner, come on. A miner and a 37.50. Miner and a 37.50. Alright, nowhere near. Alright, 45.50, you know what? I'll take it. We'll do a few backup spins. It's another bonus that Emily forgot to do a short on. Well, maybe if you film them, they won't end up being shite. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we got the wheel feature on 1 cent Dean on $1.50 bet on Huff and More Puff. Looking for the mansion feature. Come on, give me mansions. Mansion. Stop. Oh no. Mega hat. Not the mini. Alright. Suppose we'll take it. What is it they say? It's the 11th hat to go by. Let's see if they're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, they are correct. The 11th hat is the one that you're going to get. Oh, it's not bad. 6 is better than 4. 3 for a re-trigger. Come on. Lots of wooden houses, please. Oh no, Huff and More Puff. Don't do the dirty. Right, 1 wooden house. Oh, come on. Wow, 1 game remaining. Oh my word. Alright, let's see what we get. Every time we get the camera out to a short, we get absolutely nothing. Not even 1 mansion. Alright, you tight-ass wolf, what are you going to give us? I want the mini or the minor in there. More chance of $3. Wow. $15 on a $1.50 bet. What a load of garbage. Huff and More Puff. Typical when I don't film, Emily gets a nice bonus. And we get a nice bonus. We got the bonus before. We're on Raking Bacon Deluxe. First bonus was $7. We hit the bonus feature again, literally 5 spins later. Spin 10 of 11 brought in $72, so puts us up to 76. Final spin. No, alright, $76. That puts us back up to $250. Nice little win on Rakin' Bacon. Alright, it's very rare you'll catch me on this game, Game of Thrones. But I thought I'll shove $20 in. And we hit the bonus. Free game 1 of 5, $22.95 on the first spin. So we'll try and film the rest. Oh, it's very large to get in. Probably won't hit anything else. Let's see if we do. Come on, we need the dragon. Dracarys, whatever he's called. Come out on the last spin, here we go. Give me lots of wilds. Not on the last row. Give me more on the front row, front row, front row, front row. More wilds, more wilds, more wilds, more wilds, more wilds. Come on, come on. That's not very good. Need it to line up. Alright. A little something. Alright, $31.60 takes us back up to $192. We were just waiting for a drink. Not a great bonus. It did sap $40 from me to achieve this. But it puts us back up to $192. We'll do a backup spin live. Alright, we'll come back if we get anything else. Back in the bonus, maybe because I've been bad-mouthing this game for the last 2 years, it's trying to win me over. 5 spins, here we go. Come on, Dracarys, or whatever you're called, all the way up to the top. There's no chance of me getting all of this in. He's literally all the way up there. No idea what's going to land. Not much from the look of it. Few bits and bobs up there, few bits and bobs down here. $7.05 so far. Come on, drag on. Wild on the last reel doesn't help us. Right, here he comes. We need the front row filled, please, fully wild. That's better. Now, come back again, come back again. We gotta land them, land them, land them. Alright, $14.90, last spin, come on, wilds. Oh, we just missed out. We need something on that third row. Alright, $21.70. Not bad. Puts us now up to over 200. $208. Alright, nice. Back-to-back bonuses. Let's see what else we can get. Let's do a backup spin live. See if we can't land 3 games again. Play down to 200 or until the lady comes with our beer. Wilds. Ooh. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we are leaving the Bellagio smiling. Well, I'm smirking. Emily's smiling. So we put $200 in, $100 each. We've been maintaining for about 2 hours in Bellagio, and we're leaving with $150. Emily has probably profited, what, $200 up in Bellagio? $150 to $200 up in Bellagio. While I was gambling our joint money, she was off doing some solo gambling. Had a couple of good hits on, in fact, crazy, on the little devil game. She hit the bonus, 2 spins later, hit another bonus, kept getting the mini removed, the minor removed, kept landing the mega. So yeah, she's $150 to $200 up. We are heading out now, the Bellagio. We're going to try and catch the fountain show. As I said, we haven't seen the fountain show in 2 weeks that we've been here. So we'll try and get a glimpse of the show. And then we're going to head to Cosmo. And then from Cosmo, we'll do a little bit in Aria and Park MGM this afternoon. So we just stood here on the walk through Bellagio, waiting for the fountain show. Starts in 2 minutes. I gotta say, it's a bit chilly in the air today. loving just sitting here, watching the world go by, watching everyone in Vegas, everyone walk down the strip. Yeah, only one more full day. Getting sad now. Holiday's coming to an end. Never easy finishing a holiday, especially not in Vegas. Coming here is just like coming home. I don't know why. As soon as we get here, it's just like, it's a strange feeling. I'm sure all the, well, anyone watching this is obviously a Vegas fanatic, so you'll all understand the same feeling. Making the most of the remainder of today and tomorrow. Might pull out a bit of money when I get home. When I get back to the room, I'm gonna check who's having a beeping fit over here. He's not happy. Yeah, gonna check how much money we've got back in the kiddie, and I might start upping the bets and doing some $3, $5 bets. See if we can't get a hand pay.
And has a hissy fit.
Excuse me?
So you lose all your money and have a hissy fit and start saying, oh, wow.
I don't have hissy fits. I don't have hissy fits. If I'm losing, no problem.
I had a hissy fit last night.
Yeah, I know you did. She had a real hissy fit last night. She stormed off. I've lost all my money. Resorts World, Fontainebleau stole it, and then I sat down.
You got it all back.
Hit a bonus and won $200 in literally 2 minutes, and came back into the room like, I just won $200.
Yeah. Killed it.
She's not happy when I win. Saying that, I'm probably a bit the same.
Yeah,
Does anyone
because
else? Does anyone else do that in couples? Are you happy when the other person wins, or are you a little bit jealous? I'm going to admit, if Emily wins, I get a little bit jealous, and she will admit, if I win, you get very jealous. She hates me when I win. Anyway, Fountain Show should be starting any second now. So, well, hopefully. In fact, it's already late.
No, it's your phone that's late.
Is it?
Yeah,
Oh, it's 2:59. 1 minute to go. Here we go. All right, we are off to Cosmo. Feels like ages since we gambled in Cosmo. It's probably only about 4 or 5 days ago. Maybe not even that, actually. I mean, how long ago was it?
I'm here.
Oh. Anyway, talking to someone else. Cosmo, here we go. All right, we are in Cosmo. We are both starving. So, Fontainebleau breakfast. It's all very well being all fancy schmancy. Smallest portions in Vegas, in the US.
We moaned that the portions are too big, but that portion was actually quite small.
Yeah, I mean, Lobster Benedict, it was lovely, but it wasn't very filling. So we're going to go to Bang Bar and get a spicy pork wrap, share half a wrap each before we head to dinner tonight at 6. 6, 7, same, I can't remember. But anyway, yeah, I'll pick it up once we've had our Bang Bar. We've got to get a pork wrap every time we come in here. And then I'll pick it up when we get back on the casino floor. All right, Bang Bar for our favourite. Looking at the size of the two that came out before us, the lady and the man that were filling these do double-sized portions. Me and Emily were just saying, It's quite messy food to eat, as you can see from Emily's napkin. I honestly think this is the best piece of food in the whole of Vegas. I honestly don't think you can beat it. Spicy pork wrap. I would quite happily eat that every single day for the rest of my life. Alright, well that was an expensive spicy pork wrap. That spicy pork wrap has cost $150. Leaving Cosmo. Literally been in there 15 minutes, $150 down. So yeah, not staying. Moving on to Aria. We don't want to gamble too much in Cosmo anyway. We wanted just to get to the next tier, which we've done. We need to focus on MGM. So I'll pick it up when we get back to Aria on the casino floor. Alright, we are at Gem Bar. I swear this is the only place you can actually get a drink in Aria. Never see any cocktail waitresses. So Emily's playing, what are you on? Kitty Glitter. And I'm on Solar Disc. Same game that we played in Palms. And I won $250. So far has done me well. Right, so we're just going to do about an hour's gambling here, have a couple of drinks at the bar, and then we'll probably go back to Nomad, Park MGM for an hour, get refreshed, and then head to Din Tai Fung at 6:30 tonight. So I'll bring it back if we get any decent wins. Alright, well, one of us is having a bit of better luck. She's filled all the top with the diamonds, and she's got 6 spins left. So this should be a decent pay.
Hopefully.
Emily's been getting decent pays all afternoon. Ah, press the button.
No, I'm waiting. I'm wanting it.
Oh, yeah. You what? I was going to say I'll dead spin you now.
Wow. Could do.
Big win. Didn't seem that
It's
big.
only a 60-cent bet.
Is he going to do that on every single one now?
Well, it should do because we need it's all wilds. We need a lot of wilds.
Alright, press it. What, you're up to 73, that was a good decent hit.
Go on, that's good. Yes.
Alright, that's going up quickly. $87, not bad for a 60-cent bet.
Oh, I needed a reacher again.
You got another diamond, you got no more diamonds left.
I just knew this.
Oh, 130.
Come on.
Another big win.
Oh.
Emily, what are you arguing about? $135.
on a 60-cent
Honestly,
bet.
since this afternoon, Emily has won everything. I've won absolutely zero. She hasn't got a clue what she's doing. It's taken her 15 minutes to figure out to do one 25-cent bet. And now she's up. Now you're betting $1.25, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Sorry.
She's not no Keno expert. Alright, 6 hours later. Still chasing to get this bonus. Oh, I keep landing too. The only good thing is I have been maintaining.
Tell you what, this is very
Well,
underrated. So
I am not leaving this spot until I hit the bonus. Dinner reservations at 6:30 might be having to be put back. Anyone who knows me knows I am extremely stubborn. Alright, come back if we actually do get the bonus. Someone's having a better time than others. Alright, we are still in the area. We've been here for about 2 hours. We spent an age at the Gem Bar.
very good. I
Yeah,
really underrated.
first time we've sat there actually. We obviously see a lot of people in the vlogs frequent there. So yeah, it was nice to sit there for an hour and a half, 2 hours, having 3-4 drinks, gambling away. So we've moved now on to Chica Benita. We got $50 in, 1 cent denom, $1 bet. See if we can get a bonus. Oh yes!
Wow.
Nice. All right. Live spin, minor, and a mini. So that's 70. Oh, well, there we go then. Big numbers attract big numbers. Come on. Major is 9.15. Let's have the mini, the minor, and the major. All right. Fill them up. Right, this is a nice start. I told I had a feeling about this, didn't I? Last spin, save the day. Nope. Well, you know what? We'll take that. That's an $80 bonus. Not quite first spin. Yeah, we've been gambling with this $200. We've still got the $200. Emily's self-gambled and probably made $200 up. So it's only me that's down individually. 86, great year. Now everyone knows my birthday. Not old. I'm in my late 30s. It's not old. Alright, we'll do a few backup spins.
Tell you what, this $200 is the dude.
Alright, we'll come back if we get anything else. Alright, we changed the denomination to 2 cent and we hit the bonus again. Mini. Emily, what's that thing?
I'll tell you now, the cocktail waitress is that rare at Aria. When one comes, it's like a bonus, like just sets off.
Alright, $60 orb, 2 cent denom. Big numbers attract big numbers. Let's land the minor is $100. Come on, fill me up. Alright, well, Lightning Dollar Link has been very generous. It's not me, Emily. I'm sat here spinning away and it's sliding and she's blaming me for her mess. I'm just sat here spinning and I get blamed for her dropping a beer. Come on. These are very low numbers. They are 2 cent, but they're still low. Well, I know it's $60, but I want some more of them. I don't want $60 and just $1 coins. Drop me another word. Come on, drop a minor. Come on, minor's gonna land here. Minor's going in this one. Oh no. Alright. Nice quick bonus, back to back. Ting! Ting! Ka-ching!
I love this.
Alright, and we are back up to 200, our original 200. We were literally, I was down to my final $20 playing Kitty Glitter an hour and a half ago. And I was like, you know what, I'm just going to bash this money down until I hit the bonus. And I went from $20 to $50. We put it in a machine, we went up $20 odd more, and then we put it in here, and now up over 200. You gotta love Las Vegas. It can kick you, go on. It can kick you down, and then all of a sudden, bang, you're back up on top. Alright. We'll bounce around with the denominations and we'll come back if we get anything else.
Literally have $200 for...
Emily said it's impossible to win the jackpot on this machine.
Right.
I think that's a jackpot. It's only at $14, but it's back down to 10. And I've ordered you a drink.
Oh.
I've heard of Gambling Young. That takes the mickey. About 6 years old, gambling away. You gotta love it. You gotta love Vegas. No one gives a hoot. Alright, we've been playing on Cat Peak for a while now. We've been in Aria for about three and a half hours. We said we weren't going to stay long here, but we've been quite enjoying it, haven't we?
Yeah.
Sat at Gem Bar, we're just waiting for a drink. We've got a restaurant reservation at Din Tai Fung in 15 minutes. So we're just spinning down on Cat Peak, waiting for the waitress, and I'll pick it back up in a minute. Sorry for that, the cocktail waitress came. So yeah, we've got the beers, we've got the drinks now. We'll head into Din Tai Fung. So Emily went on that machine there, put $5 in, did 2 spins, hit the bonus. Moved on to this machine, put $5 in, did 2 spins, hit the bonus. Literally anything Emily touches today turns to gold. That being said, we are still on our $200 Tito that we started the day with. I am $100 down on my own personal gambling. Emily's about $300 up now, I'd say. And I promise we will head into Din Tai Fung soon. Emily has gone on the third mask machine and hit the bonus again. $5 in each machine, and she's hit the bonus on this one, this one, and now this one. Every time she's put $5 in, she's won $30. Our $100, $200 Tito that we started with is now depleting very fast. Emily is raking it in. Alright, we'll come back and get something decent.
I'm sweaty, please.
Honest to God, this woman.
That's it, spin me, baby. Let's win the mega.
She literally cannot lose today.
I can't,
You can't. You lost it all yesterday, but today you're on fire.
Oh, come on.
Literally every machine she's been on, she's put money in, she's hit the bonus.
Beggar. Mine is $5, not for that. $25.
Oh look, another $35 bonus on a 5 bet. You've literally put $15 in these 3 machines and walked out with over $100.
Nice one. I'm very happy with that.
Alright, dinner's on Emily.
I might even do a bit back up.
Alright, now Emily has finished cleaning out Aria. We'll go for dinner in Din Tai Fung. She was pissed off yesterday, pissed off at me winning. And today I'm pissed off at her because she's winning and I'm losing. Alright, we are finished in Din Tai Fung. Once again, solid meal, can't complain. Pork sticky ribs were fantastic as usual. We had a few different things this time. We had the spicy wontons. I was a fan. Emily, not so much. The pot stickers were absolutely lovely. What else did we have?
Noodles and skin.
Noodles. The noodles, you know, we've ordered noodles twice now in Din Tai Fung, and the noodles, I've got to say, they aren't great. They're a bit boring, they lack flavour. We've ordered 2 different noodle dishes now, the wok fried ones, and you couldn't tell they were wok fried, they were more like boiled noodles in sauce.
Dumplings.
And the dumplings, yeah, dumplings always, can't go wrong with them. All in all, solid meal, 8 out of 10. We are still in Aria. We've just finished the original $200 Tito. We've been going with that for 8 hours. So Are we going to stay in Aria or move on? I feel like we should move on. Alright, we are back in Nomad. Just been to get some more drinks. I'm now on the Voodoo Ranger Fruit Force IPA. Emily's still on the raspberry ciders. I left her downstairs on the casino floor while I went upstairs. Let's check in and see how she's done. There she is. Are we up, down?
Well, I put 50 in, so...
Right, so you're 30 down then. Alright, we're walking from Park MGM to New York, New York. And we're just leaving Park MGM in the little alleyway next to La La Noodle. And Emily says, oh, my shoelace is untied. Can you tie my shoelace? She can tie her own shoelaces, I promise. What the hell's going on here? So yeah, she says, can you tie my shoelace? So she's stood in the corner of the casino. So I got down on one knee to tie a shoelace. And this guy walks past and goes, uh-oh, thinking I'm about to propose. I was like, no, don't worry, no, already did that, got the t-shirt, not happening again. So yeah, anyway, we're in New York, New York, if you can't tell from the background. We're gonna do some solo gambling now, second to last night. So I'll pick it up when we get on the casino floor. All right, well, Kung Fu Master wants to pay out. You wanna play? Let's play. Bonus on 1 cent denom, $1 bet. Here we go, 6 spins. Can we get better than the $20 we just got? Respin, re-trigger, there we go, thank you. Last spin, orbs, yes, oh nice, $10. All right, I thought it had done us the dirty. We got a $10 for 2-2, oh, I got $20. Let's go, come on. Mini is $10, minor is $50. Come on, give us the minor, or the mini. Or fill them all up to the grand. Alright, it's twice now on this machine. We've got to 3 left. Is he going to play the game again? Is he going to make us sweat, or is it done with us? Oh! It's not done with us. Mini, $20. Alright. One more. 15. Two more. 20,000 maxed out. Here we go.
You're welcome, sir.
Oh, and it gave me the bonus symbol. Alright. That's a decent win, 1 cent. This machine is paying out. Come on, baby, add me up. Alright, $50 bonus. $51, we'll take it. That puts us back up to basically $99. Alright, we live to tell the tale. 118. Oh, we're up. Wow. Alright, we'll do a few backup spins. No more. Oh, could you imagine? Not again. Alright, we'll be back if we get something decent. Alright, we are leaving New York, New York with the masses. Vegas Knights have just got out. Don't know what the score was. It's popping off out here. So we are heading back to Park MGM Nomad. Run, Forest, run. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, good morning. It is recap time. So, recap on yesterday's activities. Started off very civilized in Fontainebleau. Checking out Fontainebleau in the morning. We went to La Fontaine for breakfast. We had a $100 food and beverage credit there. So, used that. I had the Lobster Benedict, and I had this Spanish feta and pepper omelette, which was very nice. Nothing special to shout home about. filled us up for about 3 hours. So we basically just did a bit of pottering around yesterday. We came back obviously to Nomad, sorted out the room, did some gambling in Park MGM, went across to Aria, over to Bellagio. We basically put $100 in each, and that lasted probably from 11 o'clock until about 8 p.m. last night. So for $200 to last that long was amazing. Went to Cosmo. I dropped 150 in Cosmo like a lead balloon, literally in 30 seconds. Then we had a good few wins. The plan was to go back to Park MGM, relax for a bit, and then come back out for dinner, but we ended up just sitting at the Gem Bar in Aria for about 2 hours on the machines. And then we just kept gambling in Aria all night long. Had a nice dinner in Din Tai Fung. Again, straight back to the gambling, heavy drinking. Made our way to New York. And it all starts to become a bit of a blur, if I'm honest. Few decent wins, nothing major in New York. And then one thing I have to say is I can't remember if I mentioned it yesterday in the vlog, but I just want to say a big hello and shout out to Mark, and I want to say I apologise if this is wrong, Stuart, who came up from Blackpool, who came up and introduced themselves to me yesterday while I was in New York. I must apologise, I was absolutely away with the fairies last night drunk. So I hope I managed to string a conversation with you. I do remember it. But yeah, the whole of last night from about 8 o'clock onwards was a bit blurry. So yeah, thank you for watching. Obviously, thank you for introducing yourself. Excuse me, my throat is feeling it this morning. That was actually the second person. We had another gentleman, Sean, who came up to say hello in La Fontaine, in the breakfast restaurant in Fontainebleau as well. So that was great to meet you. It's still, we still can't believe when people come up to us and actually, say they love the show, the vlog, the channel. So we really do appreciate it. In terms of numbers yesterday, we actually did a lot better than we thought. We had the fear that we'd come back with absolutely zero, but I've come back with $260 and Emily's come back with $250. So we're both putting $250 into the kitty. We only lost $150, which is great for a full day out. So yeah, now moving into our last full day. So as always, thank you for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content, and we'll see you next week for our final day in Vegas. Thanks.